Hello? In last video we missed some important thing for airflow meter. It's airflow meter switch. Yes, we can turn airflow meter on and off by switch. This what we search is front of this map. We search first value of the 258. Put cursor on it and press K on keyboard to make map. Let's name this map airflow meter switch. So if you put value 0 on this switch, it means you switch off airflow meter in your car. Okay, now we can go forward and search some EGR flow maps. This maps is good to know, but this is not for tuning. Open first map and let's describe it. On map we see expected airflow. You can see this values on diagnostic tool when looks on real-time values coefficient is 0.1. On x-axis we see engine load, and it is fuel flow milligrams on cycle. On y-axis is engine speed RPM. Let's analyze this map a little bit. How we see on this map axis is in low range, maximum RPM we can see is 3000 RPM and max engine load is just 40 milligrams of fuel. So it mean we can see how exhaust recirculate valve works. It works on low engine load and on low engine speed. Exhaust recirculate valve go on off mode when you press full throttle or drive on high revs. Okay, let's describe similar maps. And now go forward to find out exhaust gas recirculate valve hysteresis. There it is. Looks like two hills, but this maps can looks different on some BMW EDC16 files. Now let's make map. Open text view and search for ax length, it's 16 on this case. Now you need by sure your column count is 16. You can see this on WinOLS right bottom corner with name width. To make more or less column press W or M, now you need put ax length number on left corner. To move 16 on left press control button and move it by cursor control buttons. Now we need mark map, so after ax length number 16 we have ax, so all row is ax. And after ax row we get map row. Let's mark it and open with K button. Okay, now describe this map. In map we see engine load, it's milligrams of fuel. And on x is engine speed RPM. So in this map we see exhaust gas recirculate valve hysteresis. It mean if engine load being bigger than this limit or exhaust gas recirculate system being disabled, and all air monitoring system for EGR valve is disabled. If you put this hysteresis to 0 milligrams fuel, it's mean EGR valve air monitoring system newer been working. So for exhaust gas recirculate valve disable strategy, just put this 2 mops to 0 value. Okay, now make second map for exhaust gas recirculate valve hysteresis. Yee. Now we know how to find exhaust gas recirculate valve maps on this EDC16 engine control unit. Now try to search this on another BMW EDC16 binary files. Okay, see you in next video.